Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook great northern beans. First, carefully spread out your dry beans and inspect them thoroughly, removing any tiny pebbles or irregular pieces. Once clean, place them in a large pot and cover them with at least 3 inches of cold water. This overnight soak ensures they cook uniformly and helps to reduce potential digestive discomfort. Plan for about 8 to 12 hours for this initial step. If time is short, the quick soak method is a great alternative, taking just 1 hour. Place your sorted beans in a pot with plenty of water and bring them to a vigorous boil for precisely 2 minutes. After boiling, remove the pot from the heat, keep it covered, and let the beans stand for exactly 60 minutes. Drain the soaking water, then refill the pot with fresh, cold water, ensuring the beans are covered by about 2 inches. To build truly delicious beans, incorporate aromatics like a 1/4 cup of chopped onion, 2 cloves of minced garlic, or a sprig of fresh thyme right at the start. These ingredients infuse the cooking liquid with fantastic flavor as the beans simmer. If you enjoy a smoky taste, consider adding a small ham hock or a few strips of cooked bacon. Remember to add salt and any acidic ingredients only when the beans are almost tender. This ensures they cook evenly. Continue simmering your great northern beans gently for approximately 1.5 to 2 hours, or until they reach your desired tenderness. They should be creamy and soft, not mushy, and hold their shape. To check for doneness, carefully take a bean from the pot and press it between your thumb and forefinger. It should easily mash. Taste and adjust the seasonings one last time, adding more salt or pepper if needed. Serve your perfectly cooked beans warm as a hearty side dish or as a base for other meals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.